Welcome to Research Hub. Summarizing research articles condenses key ideas into a brief form, making it easier to understand, remember, and communicates the study's main findings. In this video tutorial, we will learn Best Article Summarizer. So, let's follow the steps. Okay, this is a PDF paper of Impact of Social Media on Mental Health, Benefits, Risks, and Opportunities for Research and Practice, and you can see that there are almost 13 pages, and I want a summary of this research article. So, first of all, open Google Chrome. Alright, now, search for SciSpace. Okay, now open this website, SciSpace AI. Alright, now, first of all, upload your file by clicking on this icon. This is my article in PDF form. Just open it. Provide the prompt like, please summarize this research article, focusing on the main findings, methodology, and conclusion. You can also copy this prompt in the description box. Okay, now, simply enter search. SciSpace will take time, and first of all, reading and analyzing this research article for providing the summarized form, so let's wait for a few seconds. Alright, you can see that the SciSpace provided us with the main conclusion and the key findings. Next, copy this text. Paste it in Word document. You can see that this is the summary of research article, followed by the methodology. These are the research objectives. Just scroll down. You will find the key finding and results and main conclusions and implications. So, researchers, SciSpace has summarized my research article, consisting of almost 13 pages, into almost 3 to 4 pages. I hope this video will help you summarize your articles. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.